मुश्किल परिस्थितियाँ हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में आती हैं। उन परिस्थितियों का सामना आप कैसे करते हैं ये तय करता है कि आप उन परिस्थितियों में खुद को बनाएंगे या खुद को बिगाड़ेंगे। हेलो गाइस, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट नेवर बी अ विक्टिम। Struggle is a part of life. Everybody has their own kind of struggle in their own lives. Nobody is there who don't ever face any kind of struggle, problem, challenges in their life. So you can't escape from the challenges. You can't avoid the problems. Some some struggles are always will be there throughout your whole life. So you just simply can't run from these kind of struggles. There are two type of people. Okay, one category is there in which people whenever any kind of problem occurs in their life or any kind of tough situation occurs, they just start giving the excuses. They just try to say that these kind of problems are occurring in their life only. Why these things are happening in their life? They just give up very easily. They quit very easily. They even don't try to find out the solution of that problem. They just want to escape from the problem and just remain complaining throughout their whole life that the problems are coming in their lives only. They are facing a lot of problem. They are facing a lot of struggle in their life. But it is not right. They don't know that everybody has their own struggle in their life. They see the people who are successful, they have not faced any kind of struggle, but it's not like that. Every person has faced a struggle. What we see other person at a good level or at a successful, they have become their life, but there is a journey behind that. They have also faced the problems behind in their past, and also day by day some new type of problems occur in everybody's life. It totally depends you how you face those kind of problem and overcome those kind of problems. Now we'll talk about the second category of the people in which people are able to accept the challenges, problems, and struggles. They know that it's a part of the life, it will come. They can't simply avoid it. So instead of just getting worried about that these kind of problems are occurring in their life only, they just focus on finding the solution of the problem, how they can overcome from this problem. They focus on these things. They don't focus on the problem that like the first category person who just only focus on the problems. So that's why problems also gets increased in their life in the first category, but it's not happening in the second category people. They just focus on the solution. Now for example, boaters who sail their boat during the in the ocean, whenever any thunderstorm come in the ocean, they don't go to the ocean. Instead they use those tough time to maintain their boats, so that when thunderstorm get silent, then they can go again and do their work. So we should not never feel that we are also getting problems in our life. We should behave like a fighter. We should face the challenges, problems with the courage. There are lots of people are there who become successful after facing a lot of problems in their lives. For example, Muniwa Bajri is there, Arunima Sinha is there, Malala Yousafzai is there, and Nawazuddin Siddiqui is there, and there are many more names to come. And they are faced a lot of struggle, a lot of challenges, a lot of difficulties in their life, in their past. Now they have reached at the position where people call them successful person. Success don't come like that much easier way. You need to face the challenges and overcome, try to find out the ways how you can overcome them. So people, you should never be behave like a victim, and you should be a fighter. You should face the challenges and try to always figure out how we can overcome these kind of things, these kind of problems, and ready to face accept the challenges, accept the struggles of your life, and overcome them, and to make your life better day by day. Thank you, friends. If you like the video, just comment down what you have learned from this, and bye bye, take care. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.